Good morning. Our grade session, we'll have to go, we learn different kinds of tools. In biomedical, we have different kinds of tools. There is measurement tools, there's cutting tools, there's marking tools, we have grading tools, and holding tools. But first of all, I will demonstrate how to use the measuring tools. First, we have the steel rule. This is used to measure short distances, like here. Yep. And the second tool, you have the steel measurement tape. This is used to measure long distances. For example, you can measure the length of this here, and if you have adjust it, you have to close at the end so that to reduce some accident. You can measure like this one. The second tool, this is the spirit level, is used to measure the flatness of a surface. To show whether the surface is smooth or straight. So it is used to placed on the surface like this. So you will know whether the surface is straight or it is rough based on the liquid actually on this here. The another tool, this is the engineering square. It is used to measure a right angle or angle of 45 or 90 degrees. For good example, we can demonstrate using this, like do this. This is showed that it is 90 degrees. Okay. The other tools is the marking tools. On marking tools, you have different kinds of marking tools, like the pencil. This can make mark on the wood, plastic, but metal you cannot do it. With the scrubber here, you can make it is used to make mark on the wood, plastic, and the metal. For example, when you take a metal like this, you can just put a certain mark, and this is the mark. This one here, this is the center punch, used to make a mark on the metals, not on a wood. For example, you can make a mark, and this is the mark. Good. The other type of tools, we're going to talk about the cutting tools. Here we have the file. File is used to on cutting some metals. And then the other type, this is the handsaw. Handsaw, it have some trick here. So before you use it, you have to know whether the teeth are put in the correct order. First, when you want to put this handsaw, you have to ensure the teeth are put facing away from you. So like this, you have to make sure the teeth are pointing away from you, like this. So you can put like this, and close it here tightly to avoid some accidents. You want to push forward to ensure you cut the metal, and when you come backward, you remove the chips which are stick on the metal. Okay. The other tool we're going to talk about, these are the holding tools. This is F clamp. We have different kind of holding tools. We have F clamp, G clamp, and C. The users of this F clamp used to hold some workpiece. For example, this workpiece here, when you want to hold on either any surface, you press this here, then you can adjust whether this distance to want. So for example, you can hold this tool like this, then you compress this here. Now, yes, this to ensure the metal is being compressed and it cannot move. Okay. Continue. On holding, we have this engineering vice or bench vice. This is used to hold a workpiece when you are doing other skill like filing. So this is its use. You put your workpiece there and you adjust it until it cannot move. This it enables you to work properly and safely without any accident. On the other type of tools, these are the driving tools. We have this screwdriver. These are used to drive some nuts on a sheet of metal or whatever. Other tools, this is the claw hammer. It's used to drive some nails. Okay. These combined spanners are used to drive some nuts, even are used in holding in this space here. These are two other tools. We are going to show you how they are being used. Another driving tool is the Allen keys are used to drive nuts also. So they are used to drive nuts like this here, this one. So you can just put here and then and drive. See how it is? Yeah, like that. Now to zoom. This is a racket set. They have different kind of spanners here, depending on the kind of spanner which you want to open or tighten. Its use is to it is used like this. You can combine this here. This is the adjuster, and just here. When just to compress here, it cannot enter, so we have to compress here to remove the lock here, so that this one can enter easily, like that. When you want to remove it, compress the same lock here to remove. But in our case here, we want to open here, so we will use the right dimension here for opening this nut here, like pose kind. Okay, this is used to can put here. Like this. So if you want to open, you have to lock here on the left side, so and open easily like that. If you want to close this lock here, you put in the right side, so you can to close easily like that. Good. Okay, our today's session it ends here. So thank you for watching.